It's been a while since it feels like a long time that I haven't recorded a video. Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So it's been a while that I have uploaded a YouTube video, I think now a month. It's been since my last upload, well, except if you count the one that I just uploaded yesterday of what's on my iPhone, which you could go and check out right now. So where have I been, or what have I been doing, or why haven't I been uploading? So first off, of course, I've been working on some side projects. So yeah, I've been doing some other work as well. So that's why I haven't been uploading a lot, even though I've wanted to upload a course, and I just couldn't because I was busy doing other projects. So yeah, that's one reason why I haven't uploaded a video in a while. Another reason was motivation. I wasn't feeling that motivation to create videos. I was kind of down for a bit since like I've been on YouTube for a while now, and just seeing other people, of course, on YouTube upload videos, and then of course like I started before them sometimes, I feel like, and then they're the ones passing me like crazy. Of course, now of course they're hustling and they're killing it, so that's why they're doing what they're like, that's why they're going up. And like me, I haven't uploaded in a while, so of course I haven't really gone nowhere. But really, I haven't really gained any more subscribers than I would have liked. Like I haven't passed that 3,000 threshold or anything like that. And other people, like other YouTubers who just started, of course, maybe this year or last year, have already passed me like crazy, of course. And so yeah, it just feels a little bit down for me that I don't want to complain or do like that. But yeah, they deserve it, of course. They've killed it. They've done what they've done because of their hard work and everything, and I guess maybe that's just because I haven't done a really good job on YouTube. So yeah, it was just kind of in my head, should I continue making YouTube videos, should I not continue making videos? It was just going through my head, of course. And then at the end of the day is I enjoy making videos. I enjoy talking to you guys. I enjoy talking to you, making YouTube videos, of course, talking about tech, talking about other stuff as well. And also I've been also thinking about what other types of videos I want to create on my channel here. And so yeah, so I've been thinking about lifestyle. I've been thinking about vlogging, but not like vlogging outside the streets or anything like that, because my life is not interesting like that or anything like that. But yeah, instead of just staying with tech, I try to spread out a little bit, but not too much, of course. So yeah, it's just a lot of that as well. And so yeah, that's why I haven't been uploading that much, is because I was feeling down, of course. I was thinking of what type of videos should I make to get more views, of course, even though numbers should not really be important, but at the end of the day they are important, of course. I like, people will say, like top YouTubers will say that don't care about numbers, don't watch about numbers, but they probably watch their numbers as well, and I watch my numbers as well. So yeah, it was just pretty, like, it's pretty hard when you're a small YouTuber and you're not getting a lot of views, or you're not getting subscribers, not growing as much as you want it to be, even though you've invested a lot of money into like some of the tech products that I bought here and equipment here, and it's just not working out. But at the end of the day, I enjoy doing this, and so that's why I will still keep doing YouTube videos. Maybe I won't be uploading as much as possible, like as much as I would like right now, but I will still be uploading a course regularly. So I'm not going nowhere. You don't have to unsubscribe or anything like that. I will still be making YouTube videos as well. And then another thing is that I think I think that's it. I think those are the only two reasons why I haven't really been uploading on YouTube. And yeah, but like I said, I'm not going nowhere. I will still keep uploading videos. I'm going to be working hard to gain those numbers that I want to gain and reach and get my YouTube plaque. I really want a YouTube plaque, so I want to hang it like right behind me or something like that, just to show that hard work that I put in. But at the end of the day, I love making videos, and I'll still be making videos. So yeah, so that's it for now, guys, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.